All right, guys, the new ChatGPT Image Creation 2.0 is out. So this is really good. So I'm going to show you how to use it and give you some ideas of how to use it with Etsy and with promoting your stuff. So I have a couple of use cases for you. So I basically dropped this to the thinking mode, so it just better results. I don't know if this is available in the free version or not. So what we're going to do is in a couple of niches, we're going to generate social media posts, and then we're also going to, you could also use it for your thumbnail picture to revamp your thumbnail picture. So I just grabbed a couple of listings to choose from. Here's one for like a finance planner, which this one's doing pretty good. It's an 18 carts. You know, it's definitely doing good, but maybe you want to promote this. You want a different image for social media. You want to make this more dramatic, whatever the case may be. You can use the image tool to do that. Here's the listing photo. I'm going to take this link too, because it can analyze the link and the extra details. I always side on more information, the better when it comes to AI to get the best output. All right, create a Facebook image post only for this product using the picture provided and the listing information, but make it more dramatic and engaging and clickable. All right, so there we go. That was, I stumbled through that a little bit trying to think through what I actually wanted, but hey, here we go, off to the races. So we're gonna let this thing generate. All right, here we go. So it made it more snazzy. It made it pop out with the black border. Yeah, this looks pretty good. It like took it and just made it better. So this is already a bestseller. Maybe now it'll be even more of a bestseller. Pretty awesome stuff. All right, so let's do another one to give you guys a good idea since we're having fun now. All right, so let's do this one. This is a piece of art. The nice thing is it already did it, so I don't really have to like do the same prompt again. I'm just gonna be like, do the same thing to make it easier. Do the same thing with this listing. And then here we go. All right, here we go. So this made it a little bit more engaging, added some detail to the left, the right-hand side. Yeah, pretty good. I didn't give it any information really. I was just like, making it a Facebook post. So you can give it more information, or you can, the nice thing is you can be like, okay, give me a couple of different versions of this. So however you want to do it, there's a lot of flexibility here, but out of the gate, this does a really good job. So let's do another one. I don't know, this is just, I had Chihuahuas growing up, so I don't know, I'm just kind of drawn to this shirt. It's pretty funny. And we're going to do it for this one to see what it comes up with. So I just did a basic screenshot of this. And here is the listing. But this is nice because it's pulling, when you give it the listing, it's pulling the information from the listing to use in the image, which I think is really cool. Do the same for this listing. And we're off to the races. All right, here we go. Not your average good boy. Edgy. I mean, this is pretty cool. It's like a good like promo. Like it's very eye-catching the way that it's doing this out of the gate. It had put it on a shirt. It just assumed that it was on a shirt, which is really cool. Now, I'm sure you can use this for mockups too. And let's test it out. Create a new mock-up style image for the shirt above. Show it on a woman with a dog park in the background on a sunny day. All right, so we gave it some more information, and we're going to let it do its thing and see what it comes up with. I think this could be pretty cool. All right, here we go. I mean, this is really freaking good. It's a dog park in the background. It looks real. I mean, this is something that, man, I wish I had this years ago. This is something that literally would have taken me probably like an hour to create before. And it literally just did it in like 35 seconds, which is nuts. So there's a lot of different use cases I'm sure you can come up with. The other thing I was thinking about doing is, you could do stuff like this for like specs, make it kind of pop out a little bit more, make it more your own. The other thing is for like social proof, like to share on social media or even as one of these picture spots, is like people that get reviews, they don't realize that you can kind of leverage that as social proof inside your listing pictures. So this is going to be a really easy way to be able to do that. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to paste a screenshot only of that in here, those listing reviews, and I'm going to tell it to create an engaging image that uses the social proof reviews that I just attached. This is for the design above the dog design. All right, now we're going to do that and see what it comes up with. So this is like, I mean, this is super basic. I mean, there's no images or anything. There's just a review. So I'm really excited to kind of see what it does with this. And then with this too, so one thing I would suggest if you're doing this for your brand, you should develop a brand prompt. So, and then keep the prompts the same so that every output is the same. Because if you don't do that, it's going to have outputs across the board. And then depending on what you've chatted with ChatGPT before, it's going to change. So, and it's going to change and vary. So I would keep the same prompts for the specific things. So it has the same type of output for you. Oh, dang, this is even better than I thought it was going to be. I didn't even think it was going to include the design on it still and mesh kind of the dog part with the reviews. I mean, that is awesome how it did that. I didn't even tell it to do that. Oh, man, that's crazy. All right, so the other thing I was thinking about doing is with this design, like for like printables, like to showcase it better on a computer. Because I mean, this looks okay, but it doesn't really look that realistic. So I kind of want to see if I can get it a little bit more realistic. So let's just include this design here. And this is for the budget planner. This image is from the budget planner Etsy listing. Let's rework this image to make it more realistic and show it on a computer with an office type setting in the background. All right, so we got that. So let's see what it does with this. All right, here we go. So yeah, it reworked. So it didn't actually use that image. It actually pulled the image from the listing that I gave it before, and it highlighted the key points. I mean, this is just so nicely done right out of the gate, which is crazy. So again, you could ask it to create a couple different variations of this. You can use this for Instagram, Facebook, Pinterest. I don't think it can do video yet. I don't think there's video. I don't know. Let's try. Why not? Let's try. Turn the above image into a video showing the screen scrolling. Let's see if it does video. I don't think it has the capability, but my mind's gonna melt if this works. Okay, guys, got good news and bad news. Good news, it created the video. Bad news, it's not very good. Here's the video. So this has a little ways to go, which is fine. I figured I would give it a shot. There's way better video mockups out there. Like Kittle's a good one to use, but there's other ones that are better. But hey, I figured I would give it a shot. I was like, man, if this works, this is gonna be crazy. So there you go. There's a couple of use cases for you guys if you have the ChatGPT and you want to create some different mockups, some different social media content, things like that. If you guys need more help with AI stuff or just Etsy in general, hop over and join my community. We have almost 300 members in there. I have a whole section on AI prompts inside the classroom under AI automations for ChatGPT, for Claude, a lot of stuff to help you automate your business, and just a positive, motivational, fun place to come hang out. We're doing the Etsy challenge right now. So lots of cool stuff in here to learn and grow your business and just be with like-minded people that want to do the same thing. But that's it, guys. Hopefully that helps you out. I'll be back soon with some more good stuff for you.